One of the most profitable print-on-demand products that you could sell might be something you've never thought would be that profitable, and that is your just average sticker that you can use on a laptop, water bottle, or anything like that. Now, in 2023, this is one of my most sold products, but as we've seen so many people getting so into carrying this specific water bottle around wherever they go, I think that the popularity of stickers is just going to take off like crazy throughout the rest of 2024. Now, stickers might be something that you're a little bit hesitant to create if you're not an artist or you don't know how to draw your own graphics, but that is totally fine. One of the best opportunities of this year is going to be utilizing AI capabilities to create really fun, one-of-a-kind, even personalized stickers that you can sell all throughout the year. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I'm just not going to waste any time and jump right into the tutorial where I'm going to show you not only how to pick the product that you want to sell, but also create the artwork and upload that so that you can make a ton of profit in 2024 in just a few minutes per design. So let's just dive right into it. Now, I am logged into my Printify account, which if you don't know what Printify is, they are all-in-one print-on-demand platform where you can sell all sorts of different print-on-demand products, everything from apparel to home items to even mugs, tumblers, and stickers, which I'm going to show you today. So let's head over to their sticker section and I'll show you exactly what product I'm going to be showing you guys how to make. Printify has a lot of different single kiss cut stickers, but the ones that I really like are actually these sticker sheets. Now, anytime that you can sell a sticker sheet, you're going to be able to sell multiple products for a cheaper price. So I really like this, and I think customers like getting a few different options too for their stickers. So let's just go ahead and push start designing here. Now, we're going to need 4 different images for each of these quadrants to be able to print this sticker. So I'm going to go over to my design suite. Now, I'm using Kittle today, which is who I usually create my print-on-demand designs with, but you definitely could use any other design suite as long as it does have some AI capabilities, because that's what we're going to be using today. So I'm just going to go over here and click on New Project. And one thing I do like about Kittle is they have a lot of presets. So if I scroll down here, they have one that is the Printify sticker sheet. So if you are integrated with Printify, you have all of those measurements already here, so you don't have to remember kind of these arbitrary sizes and numbers. So let's go ahead and create that. All right, so these stickers I'm going to be showing you guys how to create are actually going to be some really fun pet-centered stickers. Now, I've said this before in other videos, but there's really nothing people are more passionate about than their pets. So if they can get something that is super cute and even a little bit personalized with their dog, their cat, or some other pet, they are really going to love that. So I'm going to show you in just a couple steps how you can actually create AI artwork stickers really easily. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to the left-hand side down to where it says Kittle AI. And now we're just going to start describing what we want this sticker to look like. So I think the first pet that I kind of want to do is maybe like a corgi sticker sheet, and we'll have a corgi doing a few different really cute things. I think that could be fun. So I'm going to put something like cute corgi catching a ball. I think that could be really fun. And then this is where it's really important to pick the correct style. So you don't want to do the image style because that's going to make like a whole full canvas kind of artwork, and that doesn't work super well for stickers. So we want to be doing a clip art style design so that it can be cut out in a perfect sticker. Now, I really like these kawaii ones, but also the drawing can work really well too, but I'm going to go ahead and stick with that kawaii style. So let's go ahead and generate an image and see what it comes up with. All right, so that is looking cute so far, but one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove this background because it does have white around it and we want it to be a perfect sticker. All right, and then what we can do is we can just kind of resize that to take up a lot more of the canvas here. And then if we're happy with that first sticker, all we're gonna go ahead and do is just go to the downloads, and then all the sizes are correct right here. We're gonna remove the background and just download as a PNG. Now we can kind of think of some other things. So if you want to continue with this corgi style, you can maybe say a corgi running or jumping or sleeping. So let's try actually a cute corgi sleeping. with eyes closed. And sometimes for these AI prompts, you really do have to play with it a little bit until you get something perfect. A lot of times you'll get it on the first try, but sometimes you need to kind of rework what you said and be maybe a little bit more specific or less specific depending on what it gives you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the AI background remover on this. All right, and then one thing I noticed on this one is this yellow orange color is a little bit different than the one we just had. So I'm actually going to click this image vectorizer, which if you use this, it's going to allow you to change the colors of the image. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and then maybe make this yellowy color a little bit more orangey so it matches that other sticker. All right, so I just went ahead and I changed this color here. I just selected a color that was a little bit closer to the other one. And then even for the ears, I think I might make this a little bit more pinky. I just think that is going to look even cuter. And then because this one is a little bit wider, I'm going to change the orientation just so we can get this sticker to be a little bit bigger. All right, so once we're happy with that, we're just going to go ahead and download again with the same settings. All right, so for this next one, I just did cute corgi with pink tutu. I think that could be really cute if we can get it to kind of translate in the AI. So let's go ahead and generate that image. Now, this kind of designing is perfect if you aren't very creative yourself. Maybe you don't know how to draw your own images. It really takes only a few minutes and you have a completely unique, one-of-a-kind design. All right, so that is kind of cute here, but it definitely looks like a little bit of a different style of those other ones. So again, I'm going to go ahead and vectorize this so we can make it match a little bit better with those other ones. So let's go ahead and do a vectorizer and do 6 colors. And then I'm going to go ahead and change this color to more of a similar one to what we put before. Okay, that looks cute. And then let's make this a little more reddish here. All right, and I'm just going to resize this to be bigger. And then I'm going to go ahead and download that as a PNG. And then I'm just going to say cute corgi running and generate another image like that. All right, again, I'm going to go ahead and remove that background. And then I'm going to vectorize it so we can, again, make it that similar coloring. So let's change this yellow here to more of an orangey. That's already looking a lot better. And then one thing I think I want to do is see how I kind of missed that circle in this other eye. I'm just going to look up a circle here and add that to the eye to kind of just make it match. So let's make this white. And then I'm just going to make this a lot smaller here. All right, there we go. That's looking a ton better. So let's just go ahead and resize this guy to take up a lot more of this. Okay, that is looking super cute and I'm going to go ahead and download that. And that is our 4th design. So now we're going to head back over to Printify and start adding these to our sheet. All right, so if you haven't ever made a Printify account, they're totally free. They integrate really seamlessly with your Etsy shop. I'll actually link a video of how to do that here if you've never linked it with your Etsy before, but I definitely recommend using them. You can use the link down below in the description. But let's just start adding all of these designs we just created. All right, so I added that first one, and then I just want to go ahead and rotate this so that it is the orientation that we used and it can take up a lot more of this canvas. Otherwise, it's going to be pretty small. All right, so once that looks good, we're going to go to the top right, and then we're going to go ahead and rotate this guy again so we can take up more of that canvas. All right, and then once we're happy with that, we're going to go to the bottom left, click that here, and then add another design. Then again, we're just going to go ahead and rotate this here and resize it. All right, and now let's go to the bottom right, add another design. Okay, and then once again, we're just going to go ahead and rotate this guy, and this one is looking super cute. All right, and now we can go ahead and preview what this is going to look like. So let's just go over here to preview. All right, cute. We can see the stickers right here in their holographic form. So customers will have the option to purchase holographic. You can do just transparent, you can do white. A lot of times I like the white one. It just makes it really pop and look super vibrant here. All right, so that is what the stickers will look like. But I really love showing the in context stickers. That is a really fun one. That looks super cute. So I would use something like this for my mock-up listing photo, or you could even go to a place like Placeit and find a actual water bottle and make a mock-up of these stickers on a water bottle. That would do super well, like I said right now, with everyone wanting to customize and get this particular certain water bottle that has just really gone off the charts in popularity. So like I said, if you've never tried selling stickers in your print-on-demand shop, this is the year to do it. Or if you want just a really low cost to start new side hustle, making AI stickers and then selling them on a place like Etsy for water bottles, laptops, notebooks is just the perfect way to kind of dip your toes into the print on demand or even digital product game. It's really easy to start. Again, I will link Printify down below. They're free to get started. And if you like using Kindle, I'll also have their information down below too. And if you're looking for some even more exciting ideas for AI shops to start in 2024, I'm going to recommend this video next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.